Hi, welcome. We have this ORM folder on our desktop and we will be adding Django app here. Do that, get bash here. Okay, this has been created. Now we open this in our VS Code. Okay, now to get started, I'll add app in this terminal. So Django admin start app is the command and person underscore app is the name of app that I'm assigning. Okay, we have this app created. Now whenever we create an app, we need to inform settings. The app has been created. So to do that, we're going to add person underscore app inside installed apps. Save. Okay, now I'm going to add urls.py inside person underscore app. And let's go to urls.py inside ORM and see what it says. If you read this, there is a clear instruction. We need to add this include here, and then I'm just going to copy paste. So what this means is if there is a link with person slash, it's asking to go inside person underscore app, include person underscore app. And go inside URLs. So it's basically asking us to go in here, which is empty right now. So we will copy and paste the same thing. And here we're gonna add views from person underscore app. Our views is empty right now, but we will add just in a second. Let's add views over here. So what I like to do is when there is a URL with slash person, I'd like to see list of person. And I'll give it a name. So when there is list of person, this is going to be the same, and I'm gonna put add person. just gonna use this create and read operation over here. Create would be add person and list of person would be read operation. And over here, let's do something like this. If it's empty, let's redirect it to list of person. Let's save it and save this. Let's go to our views.py and let's create a function. Pass request. So render has 3 parameters: request, template, and context. We're not going to use context right now, but later, yes. Let's pass request. In templates, we don't have any templates, but we will create that shortly. So I'm going to copy and paste this. So these are the templates we need to create, but we will be creating these templates inside person folder. So I'm putting person slash. Okay, so I'm gonna create templates inside a folder named templates. And when we create anything, we need to let settings know that something has been created. Since this is a template, we'll copy a path and then go inside settings and paste it inside templates. It's a raw string, so I'll put R. And now inside templates, I'll create 2 folders. First will be core to add base, and next folder would be person. Inside core, I'll add a file named base.html. This will have header and footer, everything that we can reuse. And inside core, we will be adding list of person and add person.html. Oops, I think I edited the wrong place. Let's delete everything and okay, inside I'm gonna delete person also. Okay, inside core, I'll add base.html. Okay, now again inside templates, I'll add a folder. Inside person, I'm gonna add a file. and I'll add another file. Okay, save it. Okay, now I'll use Bootstrap to get some Bootstrap code. So I'll click on getting started. Okay, starter template. Copy this and paste it inside base.html. We're gonna add title. Copy this. Paste content inside body. So it's going to be content. So this is the place where we put content. I'm gonna add a nav bar just below the body. We'll use the simplest nav bar. Let's use the first one. Copy this, paste it here, save. Okay, now inside list of person, going to add this base.html by using extends. And now we will be adding content and title. Copy this. In this nav bar, let's rename it to person. Save. So this is the place where we're going to add our content. Let's copy this and paste it inside add person. Okay. So now let's work on our models inside person app. Okay, let's create class. Models.model. So on our person class, I'm gonna add first name, last name, date of birth, and email. Date of birth will be date field, and email will be email field. I think we can remove this in date of birth. Let's save it. Let's add dollar method for string representation. Under because it has all underscore. Yes, it has self, and we return something which will be self dot name. And sure. Okay. Our models created. Now let's generate a SQL query. So Python manage.py make migrations. So this is the code that we use to generate SQL query. And Python manage.py migrate will run the SQL query which was just generated. Migrate. Okay, now I'm gonna create a super user. Okay, username will be admin. Email address will be and password would be okay. I'll do Y. Okay. So my model is created now. I just need to work on my views and these HTML pages. So to add a person, I need a form. I'll get this. I'll get the code for form from my Bootstrap. Okay, I'll use this simplest first form available. I put the text. Copy this and last name. UB and it's going to be date. UB. UB. Okay, and I need to add email. Email. Okay, that's it. Save it. All good. Now we need to add method for this form, which will be post. And we also need to add CSRF token. Okay. So inside list of person, I'm gonna add a list from my bootstrap. We'll use this first list that's available here. I'll copy the code, paste it, delete this extra list of person, and we'll work on our views now. So I have to import person model. So and I'll so what this does is it's the entire list of person inside person database and assigns it to person, and will pass this person as context inside list of person.html. Let's do that. We have the whole database person details inside this, and we're gonna inside list of person, we're going to use for loop, and we'll pull my dot first name with this paste last name. For now, we're just gonna use first name and last name and go to views. Now let's write some code in add person. So let's if method is get, method is get, well, it's asking us to show this add person.html form, and if method is post, method is post, we'll have to ask this to save it in our database, and to do that, let's write some code. Okay, we're assigning the value sent from the form inside this first name, this last name inside this last name, and now let's create a person.object create. Now so by this it should be saved in our database. Now we have to uh, return redirect, and I want to redirect it to, let's see, list of person page. Okay, now I'll just let's see uh, what happens. This link and paste it on our browser. Yep, we got to write in for. Okay, it shows it's empty. Now let's put add person. Let's write yep, it's adding. And now let's go to list of person, and right now as you can see we only have a first name and last name. Now we can add our copy email and date of birth. So we can see Adam Levine and date of birth also. As you can see, our nav bar is inside, is on list of person as well as add person. It's because of core slash base.html that we have extended at all the HTML pages. And as you can see, we need a container because it's not looking really good. Um, Add a container inside base.html. Okay, this looks better. Thanks for watching.